Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the Maths 100 on 100 strategy for the upcoming MHT CET examination 2025. Right, so in this video we're going to discuss the different points that you need to remember to maximize your score in the upcoming examination. Right, so firstly I will talk about the different points that you need to remember, and then we are also going to have a surprise in the end. Right, so the very first thing that you need to remember is prioritize your high weightage topics. Right now, as you all know that there is 80% weightage from class 12 and 20% from class 11. So you have your focus also should be in 80-20%. Right, so see, these are few topics that I have mentioned. These are not all the topics, but these are the few topics from class 12. So definite indefinite integration has around 10 to 12 marks in the exam every year. Then there's differential equations, applications of derivatives, that's 7 to 8 marks each. Then we have probability and binomials for 7 to 8 marks, vectors 3D geometry for 8 to 10 marks, and LPP, that's a very easier topic comparatively, that's also around 4 to 5 marks. So these are some high weightage topics from mathematics from class 12th, and from class 11 these are few topics. So like for example, trigonometry holds about 5 to 6 marks every year. Then we have sets 4 to 5 marks, complex numbers is again 3 to 4, and PNC, permutation and combination, is again for 3 to 4 marks. So you need to make sure that you are well revising all these class 12 topics, and most importantly do not miss on these class 11 topics, because if you are aiming for 99 percentile you have to complete all the syllabus. You have to revise all the topics from class 12 and 11th as well. You will not leave any topic for option. Make sure that you are completing all the topics and you are getting enough practice from all the subtopics. Right, so this is the first very point you need to remember. Right, so take a sheet of paper and make sure you write all of these points onto a paper and stick it in front of your study table. Firstly, you're going to prioritize the high weightage topics. Right, then the next thing is the 30-day study plan, that how you're going to study for the exam, because there are approximately 30 days. So instead of counting in days, we are going to divide it into 4 weeks. Right, so in the first week what you're going to do is you're going to revise the concepts and you are going to make a formula sheet. Very important, you are going to revise the concepts. Right, so the first priority needs to be given to the Maharashtra state textbooks. Okay, so if you are done with the Maharashtra state books, then you can move on to NCERTs. Right, if you are done from the HSC books and both 11-12 books, then you can go on to NCERTs. This is extra. Okay, reading NCERTs and revising the concepts from NCERTs is extra. Okay, for an extra edge, to get that extra edge you can, it's not compulsory but you can. Okay, nextly you're going to make a formula sheet, as I always said. Okay, you will make a formula sheet on each topic. Okay, on each topic you will make a formula sheet. Right, then next thing, you will be solving 10 years papers, MHCET papers, at least 10 years, at least I'm saying. Okay, 10 years papers, you can divide it. You also get a lot of books in the market. You can purchase one book, previous year question book, or if you are getting an online PDF, you can refer that, but you will try solving all the questions from previous year questions. Okay, so I'll tell you a technique how do you do that. So firstly, you will take your Maharashtra state book, you will revise it. Okay, if you have already done with I'm sure you are already done with all the concepts. Nextly, you will create a formula sheet. Okay, after creating a formula sheet, what you do is you go and start solving the previous year questions itself. Okay, so that two things will happen. Firstly, you will understand the depth of concepts that is required, and secondly, you will understand where do you stand. Where do you stand in solving the questions, in the CET level questions. Right, this is the first thing you need to try and complete in the first and the second week. You have 2 weeks for this. Okay, now in the third week what you will do is you will attempt a full length mock test. So you all know for mathematics we have 90 minutes in the examination. So you will set a timer for 90 minutes and you will attempt full length mock tests. And this has to be a daily practice. Okay, because only then you will understand then you will understand time management, because time management is very important, it's extremely important. See, अभी तो देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि 50 क्वेश्चंस होंगे 90 मिनट्स के लिए, बट दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. These 50 questions are 2 marker questions. That means they can be lengthy. Okay, and 90 minutes is not very decent. Okay, so you need to make sure that your speed is high and you can manage your time well in the examination. So you will start attempting full length mock test in a timed manner. Remember this, time manner में देने हैं, ऐसे नहीं देने. In the 3rd week. And then in the 4th week, what you will do is, this is a target, 200 plus MCQs daily. You will do this daily. Why? It will increase your speed. Solving 200 MCQs daily will increase your speed. ठीक है? Then you will start using shortcuts over here. Firstly, you will understand the main concept over here. Direct shortcuts मत देख लेना. First, you need to understand the concept really well. Only then move on to shortcuts. Okay? Then you will again practice the last previous year questions, toughest questions. Okay, see, first week में you are solving previous year questions, right? These week 1 and week 2 you are solving previous year questions. So ऐसे आपके ध्यान में आ जाएगा कि कौन से questions difficult है, कौन से easy है, कौन से medium difficulty के हैं. So week 4th week में क्या करेंगे? You will resolve the tough questions over here. ठीक है? This is resolving of the toughest questions. Okay, and 200 MCQs per day is your target. This is daily per day 200 MCQs in the 4th week, right? So there are few things, as I already said, that how do you solve that. So see, you have to come to a level where you are solving each question in 90 seconds. ठीक है? Maybe today, if you are starting from today, on day 1 maybe it would take you 5 minutes to solve a question or 7 minutes to solve a question. You have to make sure that you are reducing this 5 minutes to 90 seconds, because you need to read the question in these 90 seconds and you need to solve the question in these 90 seconds. So this has to be your target. In the final exam when you go, you need to make sure in the 1 week before the CET exam, you need to make sure you are solving each mathematics question within 90 seconds. Right? Now, very important, if you're stuck onto one question, do not sit and solve that question and waste your time. Move ahead and then come back again. Okay, see, you are going to be your exam is going to be a CBT test, right? So in the CBT test you have an option of mark and review later. So just click on that option so that you can revisit that question later on. Okay, then you're going to use option elimination technique. I will talk about this. I am going to make a separate video on this, on these 2 points, making tricks and elimination technique. I'm going to make a separate video of this, but not now. Now you're going to focus on concept clearing. I will make these videos 3 weeks before the exam or 2 weeks before the exam. Okay, don't worry about this. I will make a video on this. Then learning new tricks for integration maths. So I'll be making tricks, shortcut tricks. How do you solve a few questions in short period of time for all the 3 subjects? Don't worry about it. I'll try making a video. But till then, if you want to learn these tricks, you can learn them from any other videos also. Okay. Next is avoiding calculation mistakes. Very important. कि concept अच्छे से पता है, process अच्छे से पता है, methodology अच्छे से पता है, but you are just making a calculation error. तो सारा waste हो गया. So you have to make sure that you are avoiding calculation mistakes. And when will you understand if you are making calculation mistakes or not? Through mock tests. Mock test से आपके ध्यान में आ जाएगा कि ठीक है, मैं calculation mistakes कहाँ पे कर रहा है. ठीक है? Next is last 7 days. Last 7 days is 2 full mocks daily. I'll talk about this. I'm going to make a separate video on last 7 days as well. Don't worry about that. But your tentative aim should be solving full mock test. What does full mock test? Pura PCM milake full mock test you are going to be solving in the last 1 week. Then you will revise the formulas and you will revise the weak topics, right? Then again, now you will solve 100 MCQs on difficult topics. Okay, so now till now you might have understood what are your weak topics. So you will solve more MCQs on these weak topics so that you improve your accuracy in these topics, and you will aim for at least 100 MCQs per topic. Okay, daily का target है 200 plus MCQ का. This is not daily का target. This is target for each topic. ठीक है? Now next, see final exam strategy. What has to be your final exam strategy? इसके ऊपर भी एक सेपरेट वीडियो आएगा, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. ये सिर्फ मैं आपको एक ओवरव्यू दे रही हूँ कि क्या क्या करना है आपको एक 1 मंथ में, क्या क्या करना है, क्या क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी है. इसलिए ये वीडियो है, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले तो यू विल अटेम्प्ट इजी क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट, ओके, देन यू विल कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ टाइम। टाइम मैनेजमेंट जैसे मैंने बोला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, 90 सेकेंड्स के अंदर आपको क्वेश्चन को जज करना है एंड सॉल्व भी करना है, ठीक है। क्योंकि अगर बहुत टाइम आप स्पेंड करोगे एक ही क्वेश्चन पे तो आगे के जो इजी क्वेश्चंस है you will lose on those marks, ठीक है। You will be double checking your answers to minimize your silly mistakes. And how will you understand what silly mistakes you are making? Again, I'll repeat this again. Mock test will help you understand what mistakes you are making, right? And this I already spoke about. If you are doubtful about any question, you will mark them and you will revisit them again, ठीक है। So this is the final exam strategy, and this is right now what you have to focus on this 30-day study plan. For mathematics, this is specifically for mathematics. In the first week, you will be focusing on your important concepts and you will try memorizing all the formulas, you will make a formula sheet, whatever, everything you will do. And then you will solve last 10 years previous year questions, right? So this is a simple strategy that you need to remember which will help you score 100 on 100 in maths, right? That means all 50 on 50 questions correct. Right, so this is a very simple strategy that you need to follow and you need to keep all these pointers in your mind, right? Last but not the least, as I said, there's a surprise for you at the end. So very first thing is we will be making videos on tips and tricks to solve the questions. Very first thing, we will make videos on this. Secondly, we have launched our 1 month our 1 month crash course for all the subjects PCM. It's going to be a 1 month crash course and it will be starting on 10th of March 2025 and it will go on up to 9th of April 2025. This is an ultimate course for you. If you're interested to join the crash course, there is a link in the description box. Make sure you're filling that interest form. Then our team will contact you and then you can start with the course, right? Obviously, this is going to be a paid course because there are a lot of resources that we need to give you. So in this, we are going to provide you with these formula sheets and practice sheets. See, this is, for example, I'll show you. This is the practice sheet that we provide in our crash course. Now, since I took a lecture, so I've explained everything. See, this is a practice sheet. So this is a practice sheet on solid state that we have created. So there are different MCQs and their explanation per MCQs. So this is a practice sheet of for chemistry. So we provide these practice sheets in our crash course. Then secondly, we also provide formula sheets. I will show you that as well. One second, let me show you the formula sheet. Yes, so this was the practice sheet and we also see this is the formula sheets that we provide in our crash course. This is the formula sheet for physics that we provide. This is the formula sheet for the crash course. This also we provide. See, this is circular motion formula sheet, a very detailed and crisp formula sheet. You don't require anything else and you can easily focus on MCQ solving instead of creating formula sheets or revision sheets. So this is the QRMs that we provide in our crash course. This is nothing but our QRMs. QRMs is quick revision material. Okay? So if you are interested to join the crash course, there is a link in the description box. It's a 1 month crash course for physics, chemistry and mathematics, right? So if you're interested to join, you can join the crash course. It's a paid crash course and if you're interested, the link is in the description box. Okay, so that's it for the video. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much.